Reading story. A born dumb at the contest. A contestant on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire had reached the final plateau. If she answers the question correctly, she would win $32,000 milestone money. And as she suspects, it would be the $1,000,000 question was no pushover. It was, which of the following species of birds does not build its own net, but instead lays its eggs in the nets of other birds? Is it A. the condor, B. the buzzard, C. the cuckoo, D. the vulture? The woman was on the spot. She did not know the answers, and she was doubly on the spot because she had used up her 50-50 lifeline and her audience pool lifeline. All that remained was her phone a friend lifeline, and the woman had hope against hope that she would not have to use it, mainly because the only friend that she knew would be home happened to be a Brown. But the contest has no alternative. She called her friend and gave him the question and the four choices. The Brown responds unhesitatingly that's easy. The answer is C, the cuckoo. The contestant had to make a decision and make it fast. She considered employing a reverse strategy and giving rigid an answer except the one that her friend had given her. And considering that her friend was Brown, that would seem to be the logical things to do. On the other hand, the Brown had responded with such confidence, such certitude, that the contestant could not help but be persuaded. Time was up. I need an answers, said Regis, closing her fingers. The contestant said, See the cuckoo. Is that your final answer? asked Regis. Yes, that is my final answer, she said, breaking into a sweat. After the usual foot-dragging delay, Regis said, I regret to inform you that the answer is absolutely correct. You are now a millionaire. 3 days later, the contestant held a party for her family and friends, including the Brown who had helped her the $1,000,000 and Drew. I just do not know how to thank you, said the contestant, because you knowing the answer to that final question. I am now a millionaire. I'm kind of owe you an apology too. I thought that since you have brown hair, you might not be the most intelligent lifeline option, but it was the astuteness with which you answered the question that convinced me to go with your choice. I guess I should have believed all those dumb brown jokes. No problem. People often think I'm dumb, the Brown said. By the way, the winner said, not being able to contain the question anymore. How did you happen to know the right answers. Oh, come on, said the bird. Everybody knows that cuckoos don't build nets. They live in crops. เนี่ยมันคือตลกฝรั่งคุณขำกันไหมรายการนี้มันจัดขึ้นบนเวทีแล้วก็มีการแข่งขันกันเพื่อจะได้เงิน$1,000,000เชียวนะคำถามเนี่ยเขาก็ถามว่านกอะไรที่มันไม่ได้สร้างรังเองเวลาออกไข่แล้วทีนี้คนที่แข่งขันเนี่ยก็ได้เล่นมาพักนึงแล้วก็หมดทางเลือกแล้วก็คือต้องโทรหาดัมบรอนซึ่งเป็นเพื่อนของเธอดัมบรอนเนี่ยในเรื่องตลกก็คือคนที่ค่อนข้างที่จะสมองทึบแต่เมื่อเธอได้รับคำตอบจากดัมบรอนเพื่อนของเธอปรากฏมันถูกต้องแล้วต่อมาเขาก็มีการเลี้ยงฉลองกันสำหรับผู้เข้าแข่งขันที่ได้เงินล้านก็เลยมีการสอบถามดัมบรอนว่าทำไมเธอรู้คำตอบล่ะดัมบรอนบอกว่าโธ่เอ้ยเรื่องแค่นี้ใครๆก็รู้ทุกคนก็รู้กันทั้งนั้นแหละไอ้คุกคู่จะนกคุกคูเนี่ยมันไม่ได้อยู่ในรังมันไม่ได้ทำรังแต่มันอยู่ในนาฬิกาเคยเห็นไหมนาฬิกาที่มีนกโผล่หัวออกมาแล้วก็ร้องคุกคู่คุกคู่คุกคู่นั่นแหละ